I'm Hannah from OSHA and I have our Whistle Leah sling for review, and I'm also going to show you a Kangaroo Carry because I think the flipped shoulders on a Kangaroo Carry will look really cool with this sling. So the whistle pattern is a design that we have come up with to almost emulate a hand-woven design. Look to using almost like a simple diamond twill weave. So you can see the diamond shapes here, and then what we've done is we've used a hybrid technique which allows us to bring up different colours along the weft. So we've gone for a kind of almost like a paintbrush look. I think that the qualities that you receive through hand-woven items are just so beautiful, so we just really wanted to kind of pay homage to that and try out our own kind of hand-woven effect on a jacquard woven sling. This has been woven on our Bella warp. So the Bella colours go from a lovely deep blue at the bottom here, all the way through gorgeous rich purple tones in the middle, and up to like a bright sky blue at the top. So it does have a directional pattern or a directional colourway, but it's really subtle with the whistle pattern because you're seeing a lot of the wefts coming through. So we've got a turquoise weft and a black weft. I have a size 6 to show you today with a Kangaroo Carry, but you could very easily do this with maybe a size 4. So size 5 is my base, and I would do a size 4 with the Kangaroo Carry, but you can also do it with a 6 as well. Now the Kangaroo Carry can be lovely for newborns. It's a really nice carry because you really get to kind of tighten every tiny little stage really easily, and it's actually a good one for kind of understanding how woven wraps work. So if you're new to woven wraps, I would say try the front wrap cross carry first, but the Kangaroo could be a good second contender. So the Whistle Leah has been woven on a 100% organic combed cotton warp, and our organic cotton that we've used with this sling is actually BCI cotton. And BCI cotton stands for Better Cotton Initiative. So that means that it's gone through a series of regulations to ensure that it is environmentally responsible, and it's also ethically responsible in terms of social responsibility, and of course it's organic as well. So it's going to make sure that there's been no dangerous chemicals involved in the production, and that the farmers and everyone involved in the production process has been well looked after, which is something that's really important to us here at OSHA. As I mentioned before, we've got 2 different wefts in this hybrid weave. Now normally a hybrid weave would be quite a kind of heavy or kind of thicker weave structure, but what we've actually done with this one is we've used finer yarns in the weave, which means that you actually end up with the hybrid weave effect, but it doesn't feel very bulky. So this one is about 280 GSM, and that weight is going to be a really good all-rounder. You know, it's going to be quite good for the summer months. It's not the lightest sling that we do, but it will certainly be a good option for the summer, especially if you're not in a climate that's that's very, very warm. And the 2 wefts are actually, so one of them is 100% cotton, so that's the blue, this sort of electric blue colour that you're seeing, and the other one is black. Now in the black we've got one yarn is blended cotton and linen, so you've got about 3% linen in this sling, and then the other one is tencel, so there's about 10% tencel. So it's going to give you a lovely shimmer, really nice and supportive. It's actually breaking in really easily as well, so I'm finding that it's not bulky really at all for a hybrid weave, and it's got a lovely grippy texture, and I think that's because of the pattern and also because of the weave structure, the fact that it is a hybrid. So when I'm tightening my Kangaroo Carry, I'm shrugging my shoulder around as well at the same time, and making sure that I'm getting all of the slack from one shoulder all the way around. And you can see here on my Kangaroo Carry I've got some quite long tails at the front, and that's because I'm using a size 6. So if I was using a shorter sling that would be less. And so what I could do is just do a double knot at the bottom here and that would be fine. But to tidy away those tails, I'm just going to take that back around the other side and give that a little tie at the back. And that's me. So I'll just give you a close up. So this is Whistlelia. It's going to be great, a great all-rounder. Nice for the summertime if you're looking for something that's quite supportive and it's going to be nice and grippy, but it is also a lovely one for toddlers, I'd say, as well. And if you're looking for something a little bit lighter weight that would carry a toddler, I'd say this would be really good. Feels nice and cushy and supportive. I think the texture from the hybrid weave really helps with the supportiveness of this carry. And yeah, if you were looking for something for a newborn, a little one, I think it would work perfectly as well. So it really is going to be a lovely all-rounder. If you have any questions at all about this sling, please do comment below and we will be glad to get back to you. And you can also join our Facebook community group, Clan OSHA, and we will look forward to chatting with you there. If you enjoyed this video, it would really help us if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and that way we'll be able to bring you lots more content on our baby slings, wraps and carries. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.